going along, we've used up the E, A and D string. We've used up the A, D and G string. We've done the D, G and B string. And now we're on to the last three. We've got the second. We've got the third. Now we're back on track here with the major pentatonic, the root, second, third, fifth, sixth. That's the major pentatonic. But what we're doing is we're tracking that root note on the chord shape to tell us where to place the pattern. Okay, 5, R, 3. Back on the perfect fourth between the B and the E string. So now I've got a scale. I'm down here. Where do you launch your lead? You've got this finger. Okay. And then my chord is just underneath. And then somebody says, well, after that D chord, it goes to a G. So you go there and you go. The shape is the thing. We move the shape and we attach the scale to it. The other week we did pentatonic elevator triangles. The elevator triangles is a way of navigating through this as well. And hopefully you can see them. Look, there's an elevator triangle there. Look. Boom, boom, boom. So you've got your rhomboid shapes, but I think the triangles are probably going to be a little bit easier to navigate your way through this on the G and the B string. So just a different set of rules on that string pair.